ABC 10 News reporter Vanessa Paz. Vanessa, the San Diego Sheriff's Department says that they will enforce public health orders and crack down on those who are not complying.
Right, Jim. Sheriff Bill Gore made the announcement following Governor Gavin Newsom's orders yesterday that enforcement on these new regulations will be taken very serious, and it will start with businesses and other entities.
When they go out, they're going to try to get the voluntary compliance and educate the business owner or whatever the entity is we're dealing with. And when we don't get that compliance, when we can't mitigate the situation that we're dealing with, that's when deputy sheriffs are there to take enforcement action.
He said 4 teams comprised of 2 sheriffs each will work at this full time. They'll be reaching out to cities across the county and their police departments on ways to enforce these curfew guidelines to local businesses. And if they don't join in, that's when sheriffs will take this into their own hands, issuing citations themselves. We know businesses are already adjusting to new sets of rules following the first week purple tier guidelines went into effect. So this adds to their list of regulations, all coming down from the state. El Cajon Mayor Bill Wells said COVID-19 related enforcement calls are a low priority for his police officers, and although he understands the sheriff is doing what he feels is necessary, Wells calls it all a travesty.
These people that are staying open and going through this process are doing it because they know if they close one more time, they'll never reopen.
Now, yesterday, Sheriff Bill Gore was also asked how he'll go about enforcement when it comes to regulations under civilians, and he said those details are still underway and being rolled out, as it has been less than 24 hours since all of this came to light. Reporting in Kearny Mesa this morning, Vanessa Paz, ABC 10 News.